Gusto kong ipaabot ang taus-pusong pagbati sa inyo, Karen at Arnel, sa masasabi nating mapalad na araw nyo ngayon. Dahil para sa akin, o nga pala tayo nasa panahon ng Adbyento. Adbyento, ibig sabihin pagdating. Diba? Somebody's coming. And ngayon, very meaningful itong Adbyento para kina Arnel at Karen dahil dumating na ang tamang panahon.
Arnel, do you take Karen, your lawful wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part? I do. Karen, do you take Arnel for your lawful husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part? I do.
Isa sa mga nakita ko sa inyong ugali, yung isa maingay, yung isa tahimik. Diba? At maganda naman yun. At least dalawang putahe. Kapag yun ang kinakain mo, magsasawa ka. No? At least may give and take relationship. Na kung saan along the way, nakikita nyo rin yung difference ninyo, pati sa kabila ng differences ninyo, pwede naman kayong magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, middle ground. Diba? At doon nangyayari tinatawag natin ideal husband and wife.
Lord, graciously hear us. For Arnel and Karen, and for all married couples, that their lives will be an example to the world of unity, fidelity, and love. Lord, hear us. Lord, graciously hear us.
You have declared your consent before the church. May the Lord in His goodness strengthen your consent and fill you both with His blessings. What God has joined, man must not divide. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Kanina habang nagpapalitan sila ng tipan, yung marriage vows, naalala ko yung karanasan ko last week, mayroon akong kinasal. Pero bago yon, mayroon silang hiningi. Sabi, Father, pwede bang dagdagan namin yung exchange of marriage vows? Bukod doon sa official na right, pwede ba namin gawing creative? Dagdagan namin. So pinayagan ko naman. So nung exchange of marriage vows, sabi ng lalaki sa babae, you are the apple of my eyes. E sumagot naman yung isa, you are the strawberry of my life. Kaya ako nalito. Kaya ano lang sasabihin ko dito? Sasabi ko na lang, and now I pronounce you fruit salad.
Sana you will always be an example to those young couples. To have the courage and put God as the center of the relationship. Awa ng Diyos na tuloy na ito. In God's time, siguro ito ang talagang tamang panahon para sa kanila.
As the saying goes, to one's life, rain must fall. And the challenge to a couple is not to simply make it through the rain, but to see the rainbow after the rain. Out of God's love, you were united as one with the sacrament of matrimony. And united as one, you are much wiser. Two heads working as one. United as one, you are more stronger. Four hands, four arms, working together. And united as one till death do you part, you can always see the rainbow after the rain.